Scientists like to use models. This is a model of sound energy. Okay, hold it tight, 2 hands. Don't move it. Ready? Sound can travel through air like this. Hello. Now you try it. Hit it and say hello. Now do it soft. Now do it loud. So this is a model of sound energy. Let's do it. What would happen if we did it at the same time? Let's try it. Hard on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you see it? Now, this guy right here with the beard, that guy with the beard, Heinrich Hertz, he studied sound. You just hold yours tight. Don't move, okay? Don't move. Don't move. He studied sound waves. Now here, how many waves do you see? 2. Very good. You see a part that's not moving? That's how you measure hertz. Now how many waves do you see?
3, 4.
You see the parts not moving? Now I don't know if I can do it fast enough. How many do you see there?
6.
Wow. So he studied, even today we measure sound waves in megahertz. Thank you. Have a seat. I went to a country called India, and I saw this, and I walked up and went like this. And the man went, raise your thumb if you hear sound. Ready? Shh, boys, listen. Just by rubbing it, I can make it vibrate. A scientist by the name of Ben Franklin, you can look on him up in books. He studied this and made a machine called the harmonica. Are you ready, my friend? You ready? And when it stops vibrating. So if things vibrate, they make sound. And this one is just fun. Hot. There is a screen in there. I have to remember which end is hot. Here we go. Is it getting red? Yeah. So the air inside is getting hot. And when it gets hot, it expands. When it expands,
It looks like a robot.
so what happened? If you look, there's a screen in there. When I was, thank you for telling me that. When it was sideways, the air just bounced. But when I put it this way, it went straight up. Let's try it. Ready? No sound.
Video it.
That's pretty cool. Let's try one more thing. Ready? This one. Oh, thank you. This one. Same deal, but I do something a little bit different. Ready? Is it getting hot? Ready? When I made it longer, the sound changed. Ready?
That sounds like do Moana.
Do Moana? That'll take your place. Go on. You know, you come here, Moana. Come here. Come here. Yeah, come on. I need you. Thanks for volunteering. So, you want to try it? Okay, come on over here. Come on, stand up in this chair here. Where's my friend? No, we'll just do you first, okay? This, if you notice, is different tubes, right? Are they all the same length? No. You try it. What about that one? And that one? And the next one. Okay, let's try this. Are you ready? You do what I do. Ready? Very good. Ready? Whoa! Very good. Now you do one and I'll try to do it, okay? Are you getting it right? Do another one, a hard one. That was easy. Try another one. When I said hard, she did hard. No? Do a really hard, well, a bunch of them and see if I can do it. A bunch of them. That's too hard. Why? I'll try it. Ready?
Excuse me, where am I?